The government is working with a vision to transform India into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy, spreading the vision of Digital India to every nook and corner of the country. The Department of Food and Public Distribution under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs has entered into a model memorandum of understanding with CSC E-Governance Services India Limited. The move aims to increase the business opportunities and income of fair price shops by the way of delivery of Common Service Center or CSC services through interested fair price shop dealers. In the first place, let's learn more about Common Service Centers or CSCs. The Common Service Centers are an integral part of Digital India program. CSCs are the access points for the delivery of essential public utility services which aims to serve the citizens in rural and remote areas of the country. They offer assisted access to e-services to the citizens with a focus on enhancing governance. Apart from delivering essential government and public utility services, CSCs also deliver a range of social welfare schemes, financial services, education and skill development courses, healthcare, agriculture services, and digital literacy. According to the Memorandum of Understanding signed between the Department of Food and Public Distribution and CSC Governance Services India Limited, fair price shops could also work as a CSC service center to facilitate the consumer and simultaneously provide additional income to fair price shops. CSC has been advised to identify feasible activities like utility bill payments, PAN applications, passport applications, and election commission services. They will also tie up with the individual state governments for signing off of bilateral memorandum of understandings for providing interested fair price shop dealers access to Digital Seva portal. These centers are committed to undertake the sharing of technical know-how and capacity building. Further, all state governments have been advised to explore the possibility of increasing income and business opportunities of fair price shop by way of allowing the delivery of CSC services after due diligence. In addition, to improve ease and convenience for consumers, ration card services provided by states or union territories such as application for new cards, updating existing ration card, Aadhaar seeding request, status check of ration availability, and grievance registry may be explored by states through CSC as an additional option. This is at the discretion of the state government, who will ensure due diligence regarding the data safety, adherence to statutory provision, and other relevant guidelines. It is worth noting that the services related to ration cards such as applying for a new card, updating details, and seeding with Aadhaar will now be available at over 3.7 lakh CSCs across the country. The move is expected to benefit 23.64 crore ration card holders across the country. The government is continuously trying to enhance the ability of rural India to use digital technologies effectively in order to develop life skills and strengthen their capacity within the information society. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.